Good morning. I'm Christine from Chris by Bike, and I've been posting a lot of videos about mechanic parts of Brompton. Adjust this, fix that, do this better, you know. So today, in this beautiful sunny day, I want to share with you the great renovation of my favorite bike path. We are in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and here in Rio we have more than 450 kilometers of bike path, bike lines, bike anything. And this one, it's so neat. It's near my house, like 4 kilometers from my house, and connects Barra de Tijuca, this beautiful beach, I'm gonna show you, to São Conrado, another fantastic beach. I'm gonna tell you how they made it and the things they fixed it in this last month. Oh, I love it. It will be a marvelous ride. Enjoy it. Start this ride here in this pier. It's not a pier, but it's kind of pier. And we're going up and cross the mountain. It'd be so cool. How beautiful is it? I'm so happy that they renew everything. Oh, new guardrails. Check it out. Nice with the green, the yellow and the green, because those are Brazilian colors, the colors of our flag. So beautiful. I love the trees and the shade that it makes. So quite nice. Check it out, how clever. They made this connection here to get up here, and they sectioned a part, this little part of the road, and made a bike path. Is that cool? So now you can ride your bicycle or your electric bike, or you can walk, and it's much faster to go to São Conrado. Oh, it's so marvelous. I love it. It's so clever. Thank you very much. And why I'm doing this video, you've seen a lot of pieces of this part. It's because all the guardrails were terrible. Check it out. This part here, for me, it's so beautiful. You see the Pedra da Gávea, and you see the canal here, and now it's the lower tide, so nope, not so beautiful, but check it out when it's high tide. Oh, amazing. This part is another part that they did a connection. If you notice, we come on that Viaduct, and there is a connection here. Then we move to this Viaduct. So actually we use different viaducts to get there. This part, it's part that always amuses me. I think it's so beautiful. So that's São Conrado beach, and back there it's Barra da Tijuca, and that's Pedra da Gávea. So before this bike path, we had to go from up there to cross São Conrado. Sometimes we do it as a training. It's a good training. Uphill, uphill, uphill. Okay, then there's downhill, downhill, downhill. A lot of people use it to work, and some of us use it to train, you know. Like we come from Barra da Tijuca and we cross here, go up in the mountains or go to the Leblon. So they're probably coming back from a training. Bom dia, bom dia. Yeah. As you can see, they got brand new guardrails, and so new, and it's so new that ain't rusty yet. I know, leave by the sea, everything gets rusty. It's a shame. And it's beautiful because all yellow. Oh, I love it. I love the rocks. And one thing that I love about here are the rocks. Check it out. The sensation is you're riding on top of the sea. Isn't that cool? Look at the seagulls. Wow, so very near. So neat. Nature. Oh, so good. Another thing that they done. Whoa! Here's lots of noise. Another thing that they done. The difference is paint all the walls in white. And someone comes here in graffiti, they paint it again. That's good. Here is one paw. Oh, let me show you. So here, there is another connection. Can you see? The Viaduct goes straight, only for cars, and they make a connection here, so the bike path will go that way. And this is a marvelous park. Check it out. Oh, they're fixing it. Can you see it? It's high tide and took some parts here, so they're fixing all the structure, so we'll be very safe. And check this out. This park, it's magnificent. That's São Conrado Beach. Stop your bicycle and enjoy this beautiful view. the parachute. I think it doesn't call like that. I'm gonna check it. And to land. Let's check it. Let's see there. Landing. I love it. Here they are. Two of them. They come. So cool. Ah, perfect. It's so close. Check it out. Here's my Brompton. And there they are. But there is a line, you know. You're not supposed to cross this red line. They just jump. Here in Rio de Janeiro is very common to do a double jump. See? With the parachute? Okay, I'll find what's the name. Or with the hang glider. But if you want to see the hang glider, here they come. It's too high. Nice tall. Okay, good one. And the ramp is all marked, so you won't go down here. So this part is reserved for hang gliders, and this part for parachute, or whatever they call. So after they finish their flight, they come up and put their hang glider here. So after they land, they have a guy to unfold the hang glider. There's another one. And they are huge. They are very huge. That's one thing that's so nice to do here. See, they put it here and they unfold it and go all the way up for another jump. You can have a beautiful flight and then have an água de coco or açaí right on the beach. So cool. Let's go back. Let me show you some more. It's a small beach, but so neat. I really like this beach. Now, let me show you something. That's something it's a sport that's growing in Rio de Janeiro. It calls beach tennis, and I'm hooked. I confess, I'm hooked. I'm playing like 4 days a week. Yeah, it's fun. I'm gonna show you in a video someday. There's the bike path, and we're gonna cross the two mountains again back home. Hope you did like it. It was just a different video because I've been posting so many videos about mechanic and adjust this and do that, that I like to do something different for you. And today is such a beautiful day. Check it out. It's marvelous. So if you come to Rio de Janeiro, please ride this bike path. It's marvelous. You can take a subway, get out in Barra and ride it. We had a bike path that connects all the beaches in Rio, but we had some accidents in the other part of the bike path, so you cannot come from Leblon to São Conrado anymore unless you come by the road. That's usually what I do, but if you're not used to it, I do not recommend. It's very narrow. Hope you did like it. It's a beautiful view. It's so nice to see a place that you love to ride being taken care of. Thank you very much, Eduardo Paes. Well, thanks for fixing the rails, the guardrails, and thank you for having my bike path back. Okay, not mine, I know, but I use it. I love it.